Hello everyone, it's Joanne from XOXO Designs by Joanne, and I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. My goal, 10 under 10. You give me 10 minutes or less of your time, and I'll give you a project you can do for under $10. So let's jump right in. Today's 10 under 10, I am using this round canvas that I bought at Hobby Lobby. It was $6 and I got it for 50% off. So I got it for $3 and I painted it with folk art paint, and that is in lime yellow, and I got this at Michael's a long time ago. And I'm also using a Teflon pillow that I made because what's going to happen is we are going to put a Teflon pillow behind the canvas in order to get a good pressure when we use our mini iron. Okay, so I picked the design from the Cricut design space that I'm going to use. So I'm going to change the camera angle and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my painted canvas and I have my design, so I'm going to put it on there. And what I'm going to do is stuff this heat press pillow inside so it gives me some pressure, because without it, it would sink in and I wouldn't be able to get any pressure with my iron. Okay, so I'm just going to set this up where I want it. Okay. And let's see how this works. I used this little iron on glitter vinyl, but I haven't used it on the holographic vinyl yet. So all I'm doing is going around to all the pieces and just putting some pressure on it to start getting it adhered. So this is a pretty large design, so this could take some time. And I am giving it a good amount of pressure. So I'm just going to check to see how we're doing so far. Okay, so you pull it up easily and you see where you're at, and you could tell which areas need some more time under the heat. Top of the hat needs some more time. And I'm just going to put my Teflon sheet over it and just move it around the design just for some extra time under the heat. And you know, give it a look and make sure that everything is adhered. I don't know, I'm loving this mini iron. It works awesome. It came out better than I thought it was going to come out. That mini iron works great. I love the little design from Design Space. It fits this canvas perfectly. It was quick, easy, and inexpensive, and it's a perfect addition to your St. Patrick's Day decor. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload more videos. So I'll see you next time on 10 Under 10. Bye.